Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning. How are you? I hope all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Do you know what today's topic is? Okay, now I will talking about my mobile phone. This is my mobile phone. The brand of this mobile phone is OnePlus. The color of this phone is black. The price of this phone is 20,000 taka only. Mobile phone is very important in our daily life. This mobile phone is very smart and beautiful. It's used for messaging, chatting, and internet browsing. This mobile phone made in China, and this phone uh, let's around 2 or 4 years used. So thank you for watching my video, and next I will come back up again and present another new presentation video. So take care everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.